I have a Whirlpool Cabrio and the error code LF keeps coming up. We did all the troubleshooting and ordered a new control panel thinking it was the water level switch, but with a new control panel installed, the problem continues. My husband said it stops and flashes the code LF when it gets to the rinse cycle. What do you think the problem is?
Hello. To save me time getting you to check things you already have, can you tell me what troubleshooting you have done so far? Thanks.
I have it all listed in my question.
Okay, this error means long fill, LF. It basically means that if the machine has not filled after 10 minutes, then it goes into this error condition. First thing to do is make sure the taps are turned on. If they are open, unplug the machine, shut the taps off, then unhook the water lines at the rear of the machine, and check inside the valve, where the fill pipes hook up. Check the filter screens, as they can be clogged. If the valves are good, then get back to me, we will look in other areas. Thanks.
We have done all that and no clog was found. The washer will not go into a rinse cycle, it runs for the full wash cycle, then when it's time to rinse it comes up with the code LF.
Generally the rinse cycle uses cold water as opposed to the main wash cycle that uses both hot and cold. The next thing to do is pull the wires off the cold valve, connect a voltmeter up to the wires from the cold valve. Next, set a wash cycle cold and run the cycle. When the machine should be filling, check the voltmeter. If you are getting 120 volts when the machine should be filling, then likely the cold valve has a problem. This means the valve will need to be replaced since it's not serviceable. Click here to order the replacement valve.
Thank you. Have another question. My husband says that the washer goes about 10 minutes into a wash cycle and stops. He said we are not getting any cold water and the code LF comes up. Would that be the cold water valve as well?
Well, this code is specific. It basically means the problem is with the fill. The only other thing it can be is the control board throwing you a phantom error code. Since you have replaced the control, this only leaves the valve or a wiring problem on the valve. When you purchase the valve, they give you both the valve and wiring harness, so this should fix the issue. I really can't see anything else that would give you a LF error code.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/YTHI.